So it's the 14th of September. Like as you've seen there, we were just uploading some of the videos from Morgan Wallen yesterday. Like that was night 2. It's just been a brilliant couple of nights.
It has.
Yeah. And it's going to be a nice, just sort of relaxed sort of day because the last couple of nights it's been all go. Been getting to stay in for like 3 o'clock, getting back to the hotel for 12:30, 1 o'clock. But it's been worth it.
Oh yeah.
But it's crazy to think we'll go right this little trip off to end and just completely write it off. And
Now
just,
we want to move back. So.
Yeah, and just lose the tickets as well. But we thought, no, let's go. And it's been the best thing we've ever done. Because we've loved it. Today's our last full day. And we'll just go, I think we'll go back to the West Edmonton Mall. It's more just about food today. And then it'll probably be a short video because it's just going to be all food and then just relax. But we'll obviously have a walk around and see what we'll get up to. But we'll fly back to Edinburgh tomorrow. We'll fly into Toronto again on the way. From then Toronto to Edinburgh and then obviously get the train from Edinburgh down to Newcastle and then home. Yeah, been amazing. That's how we ordered. We're going to go to the West Edmonton Mall, have a walk around, get a bit of food, haven't we?
Just have a chill day today.
Yeah.
We're both wiped. Like I think we got to bed about 2:30.
Yeah, and then we woke up at 7 yesterday and then we're pretty much out all day. And then did go home. We'll go home about just before 1 o'clock. And then, yeah, we'll go up again at 7. So,
Honestly, love this place. It's just, yeah.
yeah, so definitely a plan's going in place, I think. But for a couple of years down the line, but get ourselves in a good situation and then let's head back out.
Yo, I drink too much. Yo, I love that taste. Yeah, if we're moving on, girl, we just keep moving. I'm why you can't find love. I'm why the shit don't change. Yeah, if we're moving on, girl, we just keep moving. Yo, I drink too much. Yo, I love that taste. Yeah, if we're moving on, girl, we just keep moving on.
The shops have done. So we're back at the West Edmonton Mall. So it's might as well just have a lazy just stroll sort of around and get some good food.
Hell yeah.
So we've parked our car for the time now. We're just storing it in the mall until we come back.
We'll take a look after it first.
I'm not quite sure the thoughts pattern behind putting a pirate ship in the middle of a mall, but for some reason it works. And it looks pretty awesome, look at that. It's crazy, isn't it? Least curious about this, so we'll go and have a little look. Yeah.
100%. Amazing that places is open. We get to see before we go home.
Everything's still pretty much the same round here. Neighbors still shooting all of next year's deer. The boys still lose unless they're playing at home. But I got better since you got gone. Still a few too many on a Friday night. Still try to step in when it ain't my fight. Yeah, I'm still me, don't get me wrong.
This is crazy. It's in a shopping centre. We just said that roller coaster. Yeah, we like roller coasters, but it's like the spinning's so intense. Running off roads.
But I got better since you got gone. Swear it was like I'll be damned, I'm finally back to being who I am. When we were over, it was overnight. Like came on, it all felt right. When it all went wrong, you turned me loose. Wasn't no telling who I turned into. But it turns out me and you together's why it took so long. Cause I got better since you got gone. For a little while there you had me convinced that my mama was the devil, now we're talking again. Friends you hated ain't said one word. Besides, you got better since you lost her. Swear it was like I'll be damned, I'm finally back to being who I am. When we were over, it was overnight. Like came on, it all felt right. When it all went wrong, you turned me loose. Wasn't no telling who I turned into. But it turns out me and you together's why it took so long. Cause I got better since you got gone. Yeah, baby, since you got gone. Yeah, I ain't saying you're the sleep that I lost, but I never slept this good before. Yeah, I ain't saying you're the weight on my back. Yeah, I'm just saying that it ain't there no more. Now, I'll be damned, I'm finally back to being who I am. When we were over, it was overnight. Like came on, it all felt right. When it all went wrong, you turned me loose. Wasn't no telling who I turned into. But it turns out me and you together's why it took so long. Cause I got better since you got gone. Yeah, baby, since you got gone.
Can you imagine that today? Yeah. Excellent.
So we'll try this. We've been wanting to do this since we got here.
Yeah. could be awesome.
Yeah. That one's been eliminated because it's rotten. So this here is marshmallow. The sweet potato. Amazing.
This is marshmallow.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Do you want to buy a store for $30?
Oh no, that's just the one.
No.
No, that's just the one.
No.
Oh, this? Oh, you can buy this for $70.
That's got to be for the swimming pool.
I think he picked up before, hasn't he?
Yeah.
How you doing?
This spot is only for the.
You've got too much money. Been out all day?
I start 11 o'clock.
It's a nice.
I don't know what is the.
So that's us back at the hotel now. Go chill for a couple of hours. I don't think much more is going to happen really until a bit later on, because we're just going to relax after the last heavy couple of days. So but yeah, we're going to just chill. We're going to have a food later on. Hi, so it's a couple of hours have passed now. We went down for a little bit of a
1 hour nap.
1 hour nap, set the alarm. This is at 2 p.m. It's now 8 a.m. That's at 8 p.m.
I think
So-
everything's caught up. There is the 2 o'clocks, the concert nights, the flight over here.
Yep.
Not stopping.
We even woke up because we're flying home tomorrow, but we woke up, we're just seeing.
Thought we missed our flight.
Yeah, we literally thought we missed our flight. So it took us a long time. Even when we started waking up, it took us a long time to realise it's not the next day yet. But we're off to Carl Junior's now to get some food, and then just go back and kick back for a couple of hours and relax. And it's definitely where it's at for us at the minute.
Yes.
I'm absolutely excited to go back home and get back in our house again. But we've also got at the same time to be. I think it's just been a short trip. We made it short just because obviously the situation was moving back. We didn't want to settle ourselves too much, but we wish we had that extra week. So we're going to Carl Junior's. Spoiler alert. So our next big trip will go away in April/May for Alaska, but we've got another little surprise trip to just before Alaska. But I won't tell you, no spoiler. So that means we took our bags to go. We set our flights there just because we'll get back to the hotel now and just chill, watch a bit of TV. Even though TV's been pretty crap, but we're gonna go back and watch something on Netflix on the MacBook, and then yeah, Lee wants to get your Starbucks mug.
Have I even been to Edmonton?
No, exactly, you haven't. Not until you get a Starbucks mug. Did he purchase of his Starbucks mug?
last one as well, but there was loads since the beginning.
Yeah, so we'll have picked it up. He used to do it really extreme. Everywhere I went, like, you had to go to Starbucks first to make sure you get Starbucks mugs, but calmed down because of the move, but now we're back. He's going to go crazy again, I can see it.
Oh yeah.
Right, so that's just back at the hotel now. We're just going to chill out, aren't we?
Yeah.
There's not really much more going on, really. I'm just editing a video from last night when we were going to see the concert. So, just getting thoughts on getting that. Have our Carl Juniors. And then just, we've already packed. So, literally just kick back and watch a couple of movies. Then get ready for the long flight home.
The one thing that's been a bonus for us this whole trip is hand luggage. We've just straight off the plane, straight through the airport, no waiting for bags, even no checking desks, just go straight to security, and just it's been a breeze. So I think that's the way forward.
Yeah, I would agree.
Especially for day like holidays of less than a week.
Yeah,
It saves Chris from spending loads of money. So
that is true. That is true. It makes more holidays.
exactly.
But yeah, so we'll actually head home to Edinburgh tomorrow. It's going to be bittersweet because we've got to go home to our house. But we don't necessarily want to leave Edmonton, do we?
Leave Canada, to be fair, yeah.
Yeah, we've seen the proper side of Canada. We've seen the farmland, countryside, which wasn't necessary for us. But we've seen the city life, which is 100% for us.
Yeah.
But
We appreciate the time we had Saskatchewan, but it's not for us.
this is... But yeah, so travel home day tomorrow.
Yes.
And then maximum chill. It's amazing.
600 is good.
Yeah,
Considering we want to use YouTube just to store our videos on because we were too tight to pay for extra storage on the iPhones.
and then yeah, that's how we originally started.
Yeah.
So we didn't have to buy any new extra storage.
And we just thought like we just wanted to use it to watch back on in years to come. So
But-
we never used it to like make money off or nothing. So
But then we started getting interested in it, and we started uploading more and more videos, and started documenting like we are now. And like we're so grateful even just to have when we had 10 people watching our videos.
yeah.
And like I know people like who have millions, hundreds of thousands, but
Well,
six-
600 is amazing for us.
it just means 600 people have subscribed to our channel, and we're extremely grateful. So thank you very much. Appreciate everyone who is and
Exactly.
everyone who's watching them. But 600,
We've had over like just over 24 hours. We've had over like nearly 37,000 views just on the Morgan Wall and stuff. So
yeah, appreciate it. Thank you very much.